Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back into my channel. It's me, Hey Jeff, and today we're gonna make a simple DIY.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Oh crap, these selfies are horrible. I think I need light. It's better now. Damn you, Casper. So, today the DIY is simple softbox. So guys, let me start to make it. And here's all the material that we need. First thing first, we need a lamp. I'm using the desk lamp here with the long shape, but you can use any desk lamp you have. And then cardboard, scissors, ruler, a pencil, glue, aluminum foil paper, black pepper, and an oil paper, the white one, and the last one is a dot step. So we have all the material, so let's remake it. Step 1. Okay, on the step 1, measuring the desk lamp with the ruler and then apply the number to the cardboard to making a pattern. We are gonna make a long box pattern here. I also make a step line. This step line means a folding section. And moving on to the step number 2. In step number 2, we cut the pattern that we made before by using the scissors. And step number 3. In this step, we are gonna folding the left and right section of box. Use a ruler to helping you to folding it correctly and follow the line that we made before. In step number 4, we glue the top section by using glue and then hold it like a 30 seconds or maybe more to make sure this section sticks together. In step number 5, we are gonna attach the aluminum foil to the inside of box, measure it and then cut it. After that, we are gonna glue it and add some dot step to the edge of box to make box look clean and neat. And step 6. And for the next step, we also glue the black pepper as the cover of the body to making box looks professional and good looking, like Squidward when he got hit by a door. We add some dot step on the bottom of box to make box looks clean and neat again. And the last step, to attaching the white pepper as a diffusion, we are gonna measure it first and then cut it and then glue it. Tada! Now you have your own softbox. It's very easy and simple, right? Of course, it's very cheap. Here you can see the 4 different looks. For example, the first one is without lightning, and the second one with lightning but without softbox, and the third one I'm using the softbox with the 1 layer, and the last one I'm using the softbox again but with 2 extra layer. And you can see the difference. You can adjust the lighting diffusion by adding more layer or maybe less layer. It depends on your style. So guys, that's it. I hope this video can give you inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And see you at the next video. Keep dreaming. Hey doa!